Spinach, the skin-healing superfood.
Whether your goal is to soothe irritation, fight dryness, or give your complexion a natural glow, spinach is one of the best leafy greens to add to your diet. Discover how this humble vegetable helps replenish your skin from the inside out.
Vitamin A for skin renewal.
Spinach is rich in vitamin A, a key nutrient for skin cell turnover. This vitamin helps your skin naturally shed old damaged cells and replace them with fresh, new ones. Regular vitamin A intake from foods like spinach may support smoother, brighter-looking skin and quicker recovery from minor cuts or irritation.
Vitamin C for collagen and glow.
Vitamin C in spinach plays a vital role in collagen production, the protein responsible for your skin's strength and elasticity. Collagen helps skin heal and bounce back from daily stress. The antioxidant power of vitamin C also defends against environmental damage, reducing dullness and supporting a more radiant complexion.
Iron and folate, fuel for recovery.
Iron and folate in spinach help deliver oxygen and nutrients to skin cells. Good circulation supports quicker skin repair and maintains a healthy tone. Folate assists in tissue growth and repair, while iron prevents tired, pale skin. These nutrients work together to keep your skin vibrant and resilient.
How to eat more spinach. Quickly.
Adding spinach to your meals is fast and easy. Toss a handful into smoothies, salads, omelets, or sandwiches. Sauté spinach as a side or blend it into soups. Fresh or cooked, it only takes a few minutes to enjoy spinach's skin benefits daily. Simple habits like these make getting key nutrients effortless.